At SPJIMR Center for Family Business and Entrepreneurship, CFBE, we believe in nurturing legacies and inspiring the leaders of tomorrow. Family businesses are the backbone of our economy. At CFBE, we empower leaders to grow their businesses while staying true to their values. Our flagship program, the Postgraduate Program in Family Managed Business, PGP-FMB, has been shaping family business leaders since 1997. With over 4,000 alumni, this 18-month modular course blends tradition with innovation through immersive experiences. Confluence, a 2-day cross-program consulting event between Postgraduate Program in Family Managed Business, PGP-FMB, and the Postgraduate Program in Management, PGPM Global Immersion. 10 days of educational and cultural immersion, where participants travel to our partnered European B-School Family Friday, where we host FMB alumni to interact with FMB participants. Mentor-Mentee Workshop, a one-of-a-kind event which brings together the participants along with their mentors on a single platform to interact on real-time family business issues. For young, fresh graduates and undergraduates, CFBE offers GCPE program as a 1-month fast-track program to get a head start in India's booming startup ecosystem. GCPE acts as a catalyst for youth to develop right skill sets with the right networks to thrive in the dynamic startup ecosystem. Startups often begin with a dream. CFBE's Start Your Business, SYB program, turns that dream into reality. This 4-month hybrid course equips aspiring entrepreneurs and early-stage founders with practical skills and the confidence to launch sustainable ventures. For women in business families, CFBE's Ladies in Family Enterprise, LIFE, offers a unique journey. Over 4 months, LIFE helps women understand their role in the family business, or even create something new, all while balancing their daily lives. At CFBE, we are more than just educators. We are mentors, catalysts, and partners in your growth, helping you build not just businesses, but lasting legacies.